Indian IT sector is either dead or is going to make us so much money that we can retire in just next 5 years. Because in this video, we will talk about best IT sector stocks that can give massive bull run in the next years. And to find out what is going to happen, have a look at this chart. TCS in the last 6 years has given zero returns. For a long-term investor who has the strategy of buy and forget, this is absolutely horrible. And this is just the start, because if you look at Nifty IT index in the last 4.5 years, it has given zero absolute returns. It means it is not just TCS, all the stocks, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, the big IT sector stocks, all of them have disappointed the investors. Even someone who is new to the stock markets always knew that pharma and IT were always defensive, stable, long-term blue chip compounders. You could buy them at any price and in next 5 years you would have definitely made some money. But now the AI is disrupting the entire business value proposition of a typical Indian IT business. So it's not that AI will take away the job of developers working for TCS or Infosys, but these big Indian IT companies have made their big dollars by billing the hours to their big US clients via cheap Indian labor. So the 500 hours of work that 20 Indian IT developers did for the US bought consistent dollars to cash rich companies like TCS. And in the last 6 to 8 months, the amount of deal flow, the amount of work that big firms like TCS and Infosys have gotten is much more than what they used to get. But the clients know that they are going to use AI for the development part. So that same increased amount of workload is expected to be completed within the same 500 hours. And now to the most important part of the video, किस IT share में invest करके हमें सबसे ज़्यादा profit बनाने की opportunity मिलेगी, because this is probably the best video you can find on entire YouTube about specific IT sector stocks, because there is no bullshit here. We are not talking about historic PE ratio, PB ratio, ROIC, return on equities, because all those things are available on the internet. Even ChatGPT can bring that stuff for you. So I will attach all that consolidated ratio analysis as a small part of the attachment of the video, ताकि आपको उतनी भी मेहनत ना करनी पड़े. But this video will focus on each and every stock, उनके key strength, weaknesses, analyst recommendations, technical patterns, order pipelines, etc. इसलिए full disclosure, I have been researching this sector for more than 2 months when I first uploaded the video. So yes, I have definitely gone through all the research reports on the big IT stocks. Now the first stock is Infosys, and I genuinely feel bad for them because they have been doing such great work. Infosys is currently involved in 4,600 AI projects and has developed over 500 AI agents for the clients. About 90% of their top 200 clients are leveraging Infosys AI capabilities. And this aggressive AI adoption has led them to increase their revenue guidance for financial year 2026 from 2.5 to 3% to 3 to 3.5%. But I am smiling because I feel genuinely bad, because imagine एक कंपनी जो 3-3.5% से grow कर रही है, obviously the stock is going to grow by 4 or 5% only. And this is despite the fact that the deal flow for Infosys has been amazing. In just last quarter, they have got an order flow worth $4.8 billion. And the analyst at Axis Direct maintain a buy rating with the target price of 1,770 rupees. मैं personally Infosys पे सिर्फ swing trade करूंगा, and I target 2 to 3 trades on an year with a target return of 30%. The next stock TCS के discussion से आपको थोड़ा सा mind blown feel कर सकता है, but हमेशा context याद रखना. The bigger the player, the harder it is for them to grow. They have reported an annualized AI service revenue of $1.8 billion. बहुत सारी कंपनी का पूरा रेवेन्यू उसके पास तक नहीं पहुंचता. TCS का सिर्फ AI बेस्ड बिजनेस रेवेन्यू इज $1.8 billion. But despite this big number, it is only 6% of their entire top line of $30 billion. The good part is ये AI specific business revenue is growing at 17%, जबकि पूरी कंपनी की ग्रोथ इज जस्ट 0.8%. एंड TCS का 50% बिजनेस आता है नॉर्थ अमेरिका से, जहां पर IT स्पेसिफिक बिजनेस रेवेन्यू की ग्रोथ गाइडलाइंस म्यूटेड रिकमेंड करी गई है. मतलब वहां से बिजनेस या डील फ्लोज हमें स्लो होते हुए दिख रहे हैं. TCS के मैनेजमेंट ने खुद ने फ्यूचर रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ गाइडेंस देने से मना कर दिया, क्योंकि हमें भी नहीं पता कितने से ग्रो करेंगे. बट उनके पूरे डील फ्लोज, ऑर्डर इनफ्लोज को ट्रैक करके हम कंजर्वेटिवली 1 से 5% की रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ मार्जिन हम देख सकते हैं. एंड दिस स्लो ग्रोथ एक्चुअली रूल्स आउट एनी लॉन्ग टर्म मीनिंगफुल इन्वेस्टमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी. बट इट इज डेफिनेटली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू रिमेंबर कि वी आर इन द स्टॉक मार्केट्स टू मेक मनी, नॉट टू मेक वैल्यूएशंस या स्टॉक महंगा या सस्ता. And TCS gives us a very good opportunity. अगर आप चार्ट में टेक्निकली उसका पैटर्न देखेंगे, you will realize it is showing us very good opportunity. Hence check the charts. Easily 15% की swing trading opportunity हमें देखने को मिल रही है. But if you are not comfortable with swing trading, then there are better opportunities available for you. बस एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट, अब तक अगर आपको कुछ भी नया सीखने को मिला है या कुछ भी काम का मिला है, मेक श्योर दैट आप प्लीज इस वीडियो को लाइक करो, क्योंकि बहुत एफर्ट लगता है ऐसी वीडियोस बनाने में. comment करो and make sure that you share it with your friends so that we are also able to grow on YouTube. The next stock is Wipro, and we will not spend a lot of time here because the company has reported 7.11% year-on-year decline in profits, and their revenue only grew by 5.5% to 23,555 crores. ऊपर से analyst and brokerage firms ने उन्हें reduce या sell की rating दे रखी है. The only good side to Wipro is that in the last quarter they reported their best ever margins of 17.6%, primarily driven by their in-house AI adoption platform. Long story short, उन्होंने खुद कुछ अपने AI platforms develop करे हैं. For example, Wipro Intelligence, Wings, Vega, and these platforms help developers at Wipro to increase or automate or speed up their development process for the US clients. But again, this high margin cannot sustain for a longer time because something called as productivity paradox. मतलब Wipro ने AI को use करके अपने developers को ज़्यादा efficient बनाया. For 2, 3 or 4 quarters they make more money, but then the clients catch up that since you guys are using AI, you can do the same task faster, hire more developers. We don't know, we need the task to be done in less than 50% of the time. Obviously, जो भी margin gains आए हैं, they are eventually to be lost to the US clients as well. ऊपर से only 36% of their workforce is AI skilled or AI enabled. So I personally will stay away from a stock like Wipro because there are many better opportunities that I can divert my money into. And if you want, you can join my free of cost Telegram community where I keep on giving regular updates. The next stock is very important. Please pay attention to it because it is the most balanced of all the IT sector stocks. क्योंकि traditional IT services भी देता है, उसके साथ-साथ high end engineering and robust software development portfolio भी रखता है. The stock is HCL Technologies and ये इनके numbers में भी visible है because last 194 deal में से 134 were AI centric and advanced AI revenue has already crossed $100 million mark. When I say advanced AI, it is deep engineering integrated AI. Unlike simple code में AI घुसा के ChatGPT जैसा एक chat wrapper बना दिया. ऊपर से they have announced tie-ups with Nvidia and Google. बाकी normal deal flow अच्छा है recent quarters में, the numbers are good. The company reported record deal flows and last quarter में $2.5 billion के नए contract इनको मिले हैं. So overall conclusion for my portfolio, for my investing style is that in large cap IT stocks like Infosys और TCS से ज़्यादा बेटर HCL टेक्नोलॉजीज है इन द लॉन्ग टर्म एटलीस्ट. ये चीज ब्रोकरेज कवरेज रिपोर्ट्स में भी देखने को मिल रही है कि एक कंपाउंडिंग 20 से 22% के रिटर्न्स हमें मिल सकते हैं HCL टेक्नोलॉजीज में, क्योंकि ग्रोथ भी है, ROIC भी काफी अच्छा है एंड डिविडेंड स्टेबल इनकम भी है. और मैं पर्सनली थोड़ा सा बायस्ड हूं स्टॉक में क्योंकि HCL टेक्नोलॉजीज डज लुक लाइक अ गुड विनर टू मी एंड हेंस इट इज नॉट अ बाय सेल रिकमेंडेशन इवन दो आई एम बाइंग दिस स्टॉक. आई एम नॉट अ सेबी रजिस्टर्ड एनालिस्ट और इन्वेस्टमेंट एडवाइजर, इसलिए डोंट टेक इट एज अ बाय सेल रिकमेंडेशन. एंड अ स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट, प्लीज लाइक दिस वीडियो बिकॉज यूट्यूब एल्गोरिथम में इससे थोड़ी सी हेल्प हो जाती है इस वीडियो को हमारे एफर्ट को ज्यादा लोगों तक रीच करने में. द फिफ्थ स्टॉक इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग बिकॉज एनालिस्ट्स आर प्रेफरिंग इट डिस्पाइट द फैक्ट दैट इट इज ट्रेडिंग एट अ PE of 35, which is almost double of TCS or Infosys. It is probably because Tech Mahindra got a new management and they are on a transformational journey. इन्होंने काफी बड़े agentic AI initiatives लिए हैं by the name of Makers Lab और इन्होंने USA में अपनी पहली Makers Lab launch कर दी है in US Dallas. बहुत ज्यादा crazy order deal flow हो रहा है because in the last quarter they booked $1.1 billion worth of orders, and that's why analysts at Motilal Oswal prefer Tech Mahindra as their top IT pick, mainly because visible execution improvements and defensive heavy mix. And Axis Direct has set a target of 1,870 rupees, citing an upside of 22%. But there's one risk: if the deal flow doesn't continue, the valuations are high and the risk is even higher. And I think the best way to invest in this stock is purely technicals. This is as per my portfolio, my technique, not a buy sell recommendation, but it is much easier to ride the 20 EMA या 50 EMA का wave, buy on dips, have strict stop losses. Sixth stock Mphasis में मुझे काफी ज्यादा confusion है because deal flow बहुत ज्यादा grow किया है on the AI technology front, and now approximately 69% of the entire deal pipeline is AI led. And the pipeline has grown by 66% year on year. But the brokerage firms themselves, who spend hours and hours researching IT stocks, are not very convinced of the growth story. They have maintained a neutral target primarily because revenue growth maintain करना इनके business vertical में is slightly difficult. इसलिए personally I am staying away from this stock. But this video has already become very long. तो एक short summary of all the mid या small cap IT sector stocks, I'll try to upload it either in the next video so that you can also analyze the business yourself, या फिर I'll try to upload it on my Telegram channel so that you can access all that research free of cost. जब भी आप free time में available हो तब आप उसको देख पाए.